Today we'll talk about how can you enable vibration on your Plato app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to disable vibration on your Plato app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here, then it's going to enter with you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to enter with you to this list here. Then you click here on games, you enter to this list, you come here to vibration here, you click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone, that's mean vibration disable with us now. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways, then it's going to disable with you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.